Lagos State Governor know what he's doing in Lagos. Lagos State Governor know what he's doing in Lagos. They want to collect their land back from Igbos. They want to collect their property. They want to collect their land. Because the Lagos State is not an Igbo land, it's Yoruba land. They want to collect their land. They want to collect their property from Igbos. All the millions of naira Igbos spend, build market, build houses, buy land. They want to collect it back from you people. Because that land is not from you. And my God. They want to take this land from Igbos now. And this is exactly what is going on. And I need now to go to Lagos now. They are taking it back to them because their land belongs to them. All this land now, all of them now, they want to take the land. All this land that you people have spent millions of naira buy, build house. Yeah, they want to take those land again because it's not for you. You are from Igbo, you are from Anambra, you are from Enugu, you are from Imo, you are from Ebonyi State. Yes, you are from Abia State, you are not from Yoruba land. So they want to take over their property, they want to take over their land. They want to take over their land. This is what they are planning to do. This is what they are planning and this is happening now. Onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo again olukwa unu na Lagos na-ega na ego property na-eme onye ambu a disgrace to Igbos. What you need to do your business, but when you are doing your business, use your wisdom, develop your land, do investment in your state, do investment in your state. If you are from Enugu, you don't want to do investment in Enugu, you can do investment in Anambra State. If you are in Anambra State, you don't want to do investment in Anambra State, you can go to Imo State or you go to Ebonyi State. Do investment. These people don't want you. All this thing that you are doing, they are taking over everything. They are taking over all this. It's the time that Igbos will have meeting. It's the time that Igbos have a meeting, main meeting. Now know how they will bring those markets down to this east. If they want to open another one, let them open another one that place. They will know that all the fingers are not equal. Only here God is when God is so I'm sending this message to all the Igbos. It's the time that we are going to wake up. It's the time that we are going to wake up to come back to our house, our home. It's the time that we come back and develop our home. They are taking the land from you. All the land that you spend millions of naira, build house, buy land, investment, you do investment. Yorubas are taking it back from you. But they are using political way to take it back from you. They are taking those land from you. All those land, and I need now to go to Lagos. All these houses in Lagos, they are taking it back to you. Alaba International Market. Alaba is a Yoruba land, it's not the Igbo land. They want to take their land in Alaba. Do you see how they take it? Do you see how they collect it from you? They find one glamour speak, call caterpillar, destroy everywhere. Now they don't conquer that land now. All these places Lagos State Governor are destroying now. They want to take it back from them, from you people. So why can't you people get sense? I don't have strength to be coming to shouting, but this thing is paining me a lot. I don't know how many times he get Mike and some of you disgrace to Igbos. Oh my God. Some of you people are now planning to buy 20 plot of land in Lagos. After you see all those things, you still buy land in Lagos. You were a disgrace to Igbos. After you see all those things they are doing to your brothers or your sisters. My God. If you cheating on a moment in Lagos State, see how they destroy their houses in Lagos, and you want to still go out to buy land to build house. You were a disgrace to Igbos, because tomorrow this thing may happen to you. If it don't happen to you, it happen to your children, because they must collect their land.